Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created your own Instagram AI chat, and when creating it, you may have given some introduction. But afterwards, if you want to change that introduction, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you how to change the Instagram AI chat introduction created by you. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, down here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see a button like this. Click on this button, and here you can see AI chats option. Click on AI chats. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach AI Studio, and under that you can see your AIs. And here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat created by you. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. After that, above you can see Settings option. Click on Settings. When you're clicking on that, you can see Advanced Settings. Click on Advanced Settings, and here you can see Introduction. If you want to change the introduction, you can remove this, and add new introduction. Or if you want your AI to generate one introduction for you, click on this button. When you're clicking on that, AI will generate one introduction for you. Anyways, after that, click on this Done button. And after that, here you can see Publish option. Click on Publish. When you're clicking on that, that settings will be saved. So this way you can easily change the introduction of your Instagram AI chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.